Hey guys, this is Urge5 and my Flatface packet came today, and I'm really excited because I ordered a close-up G2, and I heard that they were crappy, but I mean they're wooden decks, so, and they're only $24 for a complete instead of like $26 just for the deck, so and everything's better than a tech deck. It's gonna be hard. Got it open. Alright. So I'll take a peek inside. Wow. An MMA Elite sticker or whatever. Flatface Simon Says sticker. And my close-up packet. Son of a bitch. Do you see that? I mean, there's nothing. There's not even hardware. Oh my god. 20 fucking bucks on this and a freaking little Simon Says sticker.